Hi everyone, and thanks for choosing this course. In this section, I'm going to show you how to plan for your website. So before we even start building the site, we have to plan it out. What are we trying to achieve with the site? Is it a business site promoting services or products? Is it a shop? So it's a lot of products in a shop. Or is it a blog? The reason why you have to ask this question is you have to ask what type of content will we have to put into the site. So if it's a business site, maybe you probably will have a home, about, services, and a contact page. Well, why not now open up a Microsoft Word document and start writing out the text so that when the site is built, you're just dropping the text into the sections. This will really help speed up the process of your website build. Also, are you going to need a lot of images for the site? Have you thought about what images you're going to use? Well, start collating this now and have it in a folder. So again, when you need those images, you can just drag and drop them up to your site. And then the last tip and trick I'd recommend to do is have a look at your competitors' sites, probably about 3 of them, and do a little SWOT analysis on them. So a SWOT analysis is strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. So basically what it means is have a look and see what they're doing well and actually what they're totally missing out on that you could address. So you build a great site where there's an identified gap in the market. Okay, so now we're going to go in the next module and start looking at your web hosting and which one to choose.